Breaking. One of the most powerful technology companies on the planet just walked into a state legislature and asked lawmakers to protect it from lawsuits, even in cases involving mass casualties and billion-dollar financial disasters. And they are not hiding it. As reported by Maxwell Zeff at Wired, OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, has thrown its institutional weight behind an Illinois state bill called SB 3444, also known as the Artificial Intelligence Safety Act. And the details of this legislation are striking. The bill would shield major AI developers from legal liability for what it calls critical harms, defined as events causing the death or serious injury of 100 or more people, at least $1 billion in property damage, or a bad actor using AI to develop a chemical, biological, radiological, or nuclear weapon. Let that sink in for a moment. We are talking about a law that could prevent you, or your family, from successfully suing an AI company even when their technology contributes to a mass casualty event. Here is the fine print. The protection only applies if the AI company did not intentionally or recklessly cause the harm, and if they publish safety and transparency reports on their website. The bill covers any AI system built on more than $100 million in computational costs, which means companies like OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, Meta, and xAI would all qualify. This represents a notable shift in OpenAI's approach. Until now, the company had largely pushed back against legislation that could create liability. AI policy experts told Wired that SB 3444 is a more aggressive move than anything OpenAI has publicly supported before. Should technology companies be shielded from lawsuits when their AI causes catastrophic harm, even if it wasn't intentional? Where do you draw that line? Drop your perspective in the comments. OpenAI's spokesperson told Wired, "The company supports this approach because it focuses on reducing risk from the most advanced AI systems while still allowing the technology to reach individuals and businesses across Illinois. But critics are pushing back hard." Scott Weiser, policy director at the Secure AI Project, told Wired that polling in Illinois found 90% of residents oppose exempting AI companies from liability. He noted that Illinois lawmakers have simultaneously introduced bills that would increase accountability on AI developers, not reduce it. This matters at the federal level, too. No U.S. law currently determines who bears responsibility if an AI system triggers a large-scale disaster. Congress has shown little urgency in closing that gap. In the meantime, states like California and New York have moved independently, passing laws requiring AI developers to submit safety and transparency reports. If Illinois passes SB 3444, it could become a national template, in one direction or the other. If no federal law exists to protect you, should states be setting the rules on AI accountability? Or is that too fragmented? Tell me what you think below. It is also worth noting that OpenAI is simultaneously facing lawsuits from families of children who died by suicide after allegedly developing unhealthy relationships with ChatGPT. The personal harm dimension of AI accountability is very much alive and very much in court, even as this legislative fight plays out in Springfield, Illinois. Before we close, a word about something grounded in community. CarePlay Universe is connected to CarePath Family Initiative, a Greater Boston nonprofit dedicated to serving multilingual youth and families through connected, community-centered support. From mentoring and family advocacy to workforce development and autism services. If today's story reminded you how important it is to protect real people from the consequences of powerful systems, consider putting that energy into action. Visit carepathinet.org to learn more and make a contribution today. Every dollar supports a young person and a family finding their path forward. If this story raised questions for you, that's by design. Hit the like button to help more people see it. Subscribe to CarePlay Universe so you never miss a story that actually matters. And leave a comment. I read every single one. Tell me, should AI companies be held fully accountable, or does innovation require some level of legal protection? This conversation belongs to all of us. I'm Marcus Webb. The decisions being made in state capitals right now will shape whether powerful technology serves people or escapes accountability for harming them. Stay informed, stay engaged, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.